Thank you, blessed people. What a wonderful opportunity again to come to you live at this time, at this very, very important time in the history of the church. And the church is seeing such a historic visitation at this hour. The church is seeing a mega visitation, a historic visitation in the history of our entire life. This is such a critical time in the history of the church. I want to share with you a conversation that took place yesterday. The Lord Jehovah, again, he presented to me his two prophets, and I saw them from above with the eyes of the Lord, and they were in a vehicle. They were in a vehicle heading to a mission, and this time around, the glory of God, the pillar of the glory of God, comes all the way from heaven and points onto the top of the vehicle and moves with the vehicle as the vehicle is moving. So it was very stunning to see. Again, the glory, the pillar of the glory of God, pointing on the roof of the vehicle, where exactly they are, and moving with the vehicle. And I don't know why it looked more like it was a little bit evening, and they were headed to a mission somewhere. So this is the moment of visitation. This is when God has chosen to renew the church, revive the church, to ascertain to the church that the glorious kingdom of heaven has drawn nigh, to give our hope, to awaken the souls of men, that all people may be given the privilege and opportunity to prepare for the glorious coming of the Messiah, to be holy, without which no one will see the Lord. May the Lord bless you and bless you eternally. The Messiah is coming.